The Identify widget allows you to click on any feature in the map and view a pop-up of its attributes. Please note, the Identify widget does not fully work in certain browsers, such as Firefox. Try using Google Chrome if you're having an issue. The Identify widget will generate a drop-down list of all visible layers. This means that the layer is turned on and visible in the map. From the drop-down, you may either select a single layer or all visible layers. If you select a single layer, then only attributes for that layer will appear when using the Identify tool. If you select all visible layers, then attributes for all layers that are currently visible or turned on will appear when using the Identify tool. Make your selection, then click on the map. You may left-click on the map or right-click and select Identify here. The Identify widget will cause a pop-up to open, displaying the attributes of the feature you've selected. If the point you've clicked on the map has multiple layers visible, and you've selected all visible layers, the Identify pop-up will have arrows to flip through the layers and examine the attributes for each one individually. The Identify pop-up window will list the name of the layer in the upper left corner, for example, RCI Roads. If you've selected only one layer, only those attributes will be displayed. Take some time getting acquainted with the Identify widget by exploring different features and seeing what information is available. For example, if we click on this orange RCI Road segment, we can see that this road is Fountain Street, that 45% of this segment is projected to be inundated under this SLR scenario, and that it is not an evacuation route.